Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit a loopy stitch. Will be perfect for the patch pockets, uh, for jackets, for cardigans, for vests. Only at the end you will need to bind off all stitching using an I-cord if you're going to use it as a patch pocket. Otherwise you can use this stitch to decorate cardigan sleeves, for example, or knit a pillowcase. For this tutorial you need to cast on any number of stitches. Absolutely any, 10, 12. And the first row, skip the first stitch as we are on the wrong side. You see these bumps. In the first row we are going to purl all stitches. Slip the first stitch and purl all other stitches till the end. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch, and now we will form those loops. Knit the next stitch. Do not drop it off the left hand needle. Bring the working yarn in front. Wrap the yarn around the thumb, forming a loop. And pay attention so the working yarn not behind the left hand needle but in front now. So in this way. And using your thumb you can make the loop longer or shorter. Again, wrap the working yarn around the thumb and hold it in front of the left hand needle. Knit the same stitch again and this time drop it off the needle. Now you have 2 stitches out of 1. With the tip of left hand needle pick up the first stitch and slip it over the second one, and like this we create loop that will not unravel. And let's repeat. Knit next stitch, bring the working yarn in front and wrap it around the thumb. Knit the same stitch again, drop stitch of the needle. With the tip of left hand needle pick up the first stitch and slip it over the second one, and we created the second loop. And let's repeat again. Knit, bring the working yarn in front and wrap, creating a loop. Again, knit the same stitch and slip over. The third loop is ready. Let's do it again. Knit in front, make a loop, knit 1 and slip over. Do not think that it's too hard, you just need to find the right way and the most easiest for you how to bring the yarn in front and how to grab it as fast as possible. and then you will do it really fast. Here it is. Again, knit in front, make a loop, knit the same stitch and slip over. Slip over, and the last loop, the last stitch, knit one, slip over, and at the end purl the last selvage stitch. That's it, and that's what we are going to repeat. Turn row number 3 will be the same as row number 1. Slip the first stitch and purl all stitches till the end. Turn. Row number 4 will be the same as row number 2. We are going to start making loops. Slip the first stitch, knit 1, make a loop, knit the same stitch and slip over. Let's do it again. Knit 1 loop, knit 1, slip over. That's it, guys. Go on repeating till the end, and row number 5 will be the same as row number 1. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this short tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Leave me a comment, was it useful for you? Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like this video and check other video tutorials on my YouTube channel. I wish you all a good day and see you soon. Bye!